Let's now move on. Viewers, the delayed monsoon is beginning to take a toll on Mumbai's water supply. With storage levels in the city's 7 lakes falling rapidly and reserves estimated to last just 40 days, concerns over a potential water shortage are growing. According to the Hydraulic Department of BMC, the combined water storage in the city's reservoirs has fallen sharply amid a delayed monsoon and continued lack of rainfall. The situation has triggered concerns over supply stability, with authorities already enforcing conservation measures. My colleague Rucha has this ground report.
It's been 20 years. There are few residents of Royal Pumps. They are vulnerably asking for water supply, but they are not getting water supply. And the situation right now in Mumbai, there are scarcity of water and people are struggling every day to get water. We are being joined by some of the officials and some of the office bearer of this society. We are at the Royal Pumps right now. If you can see here, there are total number of 44 society who has not been given water supply after all the procedure which they have done. There are OCs, there are CCs, everything, but no water supply for this 44 society.
Let me tell you that I am a senior citizen. I am a retired person and my day-to-day expenditure is from my pension. I am staying in this society from last nearly 15 years and we don't have any water supply from the BMC in our society. So now there used to be supply for about 12 hours in a day, but now the society has reduced supply for only 6 hours, restricted to only 6 hours. And now within those 6 hours we have to do all our work like, washing clothes and taking bath. So we are really finding it very difficult to adjust. That is the main at present situation is so bad here.
If we get BMC water, maybe then to some extent our water problem will be solved. And the government easily tells and conveys, please do rationing in your society for the water. So can we do that? What we say, water is life.
With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.